Today we are going to create a science demonstration device, the air cannon. Here's what our product looks like. Now let's guide you through the process step by step. First, we will need the following materials: scissors, adhesive tape, a cup with hollow center, and a balloon. Starting with the first step, take the scissors and cut approximately 1/5 from the end of the balloon. Keep most of the balloon's body intact and remove the excess parts. Stretch open the balloon and place the hollow part of the cup over the wide mouth of the balloon. Once the balloon is securely placed, tie a knot at the tail end of the balloon with a quick and firm motion. This knot serves as the nozzle for our air cannon. Next, since this area can be a bit fragile, reinforce it with adhesive tape. 2 rounds of tape should do the trick. Great! Our air cannon's main body is now complete. Now it's time to proceed to the testing phase. Let's explain the scientific principle behind the air cannon. Initially, we stretch the balloon to enlarge its size along with the internal space of the cup. When we release the balloon, it returns to its original size, causing a sudden reduction in the cup's internal space. This rapid contraction creates a burst of airflow, expelling the air through the nozzle. In other words, the principle behind the air cannon lies in this process. Now let's test the power of this air cannon. We have prepared 10 cups, and we will fill in the air cannon with air and then release it, propelling the air towards the cups. Let's see how it performs.